Hello Year 4 and welcome to our first video for remote learning. Another new experience for me and obviously a new experience for you as well. You've been so resilient and hardworking so far through all of the past 6 months and the COVID pandemic that I'm sure this is just another obstacle that we're all going to overcome. Over the next couple of weeks until Christmas, you are going to be accessing my lessons on our YouTube channel. It will be a little bit difficult. It will come with a few problems, few difficulties. It's not as easy to learn when someone's not right in front of you, or drawing something out, or sharing it in small groups and sharing with each other like you do so well in Talk Partners. But I'm sure you're going to do great. And any questions, you can always email me. On the letter that you'll get sent, it will have the email address where you can send all of your amazing work to. I'll give you some feedback and also some next steps. So please get that to me as often as possible. I will also be giving you a phone call at the end of this week and once next week as well, just to see how you're getting on. Maybe have a quick chat, which would be nice, especially just before Christmas. The videos will be posted at 9 a.m. every day and at 1 p.m. every day too. So to begin with, I'm just going to try and start sharing my screen here to introduce you to our reading skills. Hopefully this has worked and you're not just staring at a blank screen. So reading skills will no longer be a firework maker's daughter. Unfortunately, I know you were loving that book so much and I was loving reading that to you. We'll hopefully carry on with that in the afternoons in spring term. What you're going to be doing now is something called Read Theory. And that is an online program. And to log in, you will need to email me at rowany4@greenridgeacademy.co.uk because I can't send out all of your usernames and passwords on this video. So please make sure you do that so you can access our reading. Whilst you're waiting for that, so today's lesson, for example, can you please just make sure you're reading your banded books, and hopefully a parent or carer at home can help you with some questioning and help your comprehension. So Read Theory is an online program that we actually want to use in spring term anyway. Year 5 have been trying this out with good success, so we're going to try it as well. When you first get your login details, you'll get a mini assessment. I can't remember actually if it's 20 questions or 8 questions that should take roughly 20 minutes. But what that will do is it will analyze how long you've taken for the questions and how accurate your answers are, and then it will match it with following activities each day that match your comprehension levels. So it shouldn't be too easy for you, and it should be a good challenge. So every day when you log in, you'll have a short extract to read and then you answer questions. It shouldn't take too long and you should soon get into the habit of that. You're expected to complete one of those every day, and this will be the only reading skills video because it is all online. So please make sure you email me for your login details, and if you have any problems, to email me straight away and I'll respond as soon as I can. How to log in is fairly simple. In Google, if you type in these 3 words that you can see, Read Theory Login, it's just the top document, the top link there, and once you log in to that, you get your username and your password. So on the right hand side there, it does just say, please make sure you get that from me via an email. Once you've logged in, you'll hit I'm ready. And as you can see here, it is the 8 questions that take about 20 minutes. It is really important that you do this independently because it helps gauge where your comprehension levels are at, and the rest of your task will be matched to that. So please make sure you're taking your time and giving it your best effort. With that information, I'll be able to track who has logged on, when they've logged on, how difficult the level of comprehension is, how many tests you've been doing, and then how you progress with your answers, and also the time you have taken. Let's stop sharing that. As I say, please just email if you have any questions, and please email for that initial login. I'll miss teaching you in person over these next couple of weeks, but hopefully I'll get to see lots of your work from what you've sent in. Bye for now.